Hey, it's Scott coming to you live here from my home in Sugarloaf. I'm just want to do this quick video. As you see yesterday, 500 in leverage commissions. Yes, my team did that for me. Yes, this is a very leveraged system. So what you want to do right now is you want to smash subscribe, hit the bell so you never miss a video from me again on push button and how to push button into an affiliate marketing system. This is affiliate marketing review for the multiple income funnel, including how you can make up to 6 figures in the next 30 to 45 days with, let me show you that right now. How would you like, and just before I'm going to show you bonuses, but how would you like to make $800, $2,400, $4,000 per sale that we make for you? If that is if that is what you want, smash subscribe, hit the bell, and let's, without further ado. So what do I use here? I use the thing called multiple income funnel. And when I come up here into my business, I can actually show you my multiple income funnel. And I'm going to view my income streams here. And I'll set you up the same exact way. Income stream number 1 is the multiple income funnel. That's what I just showed you, how it pays. I'll show you right here. That's the multiple income funnel. So I'm going to take you over here to the payments. As you can see, it's been paying me every single week now for, I don't know, 3 years. This launched the end of 2020, beginning of 2021. It's now 2024. As you can see right here, 27,700 in residual commissions. So when we come back over here, that's exactly what it is. This is the engine. It's either $49 a month or $400 for the year. And if you're a first-time action taker here, you're going to get a certain amount of time to do the annual for a discounted rate, okay? So all you're going to do is go to the link below. You're going to set up income stream number 1 in the multiple income funnel, all right? This is already completed. You're going to make sure you join the Facebook group because, folks, the Facebook group is great, okay? So just so you know, there's other members here. Don't mind my Facebook blowing up here today. It's a very active group, folks. So here we go. Miff, you could just see 1, 2, 3. Nick is having success. Look at this. This is what I just showed you. One of my team members just made me a commission. Bob here had someone upgrade to annual. I mean, I could come in, I can keep scrolling here and scrolling, and all you're going to see is success, people welcoming people in, and excellent traffic, just like what I showed you here, the $500. Other people are having success with this. And you know how I know other people are having success with this is because my team member made me that sale. So your income stream number 2, what is that? Income stream number 2 is online consistent money. I have all the verbiage for you here. I'll set all this up for you. What is online consistent money? Online consistent money is a done-for-you system that allows you to make $800, $2,400, and $4,000 commissions that we make for you, okay? Meaning we call the team, etc. So I'm going to briefly show you that. This is the video that is going to be right over here. That's in the back office of multiple income funnel. But I'm going to show you after you go through this video that you're going to watch here in your multiple income funnel back office is you're going to click on this, and this is going to take you to the page. So when you're in your multiple income funnel back office, you watch this video, click here to learn more, boom, it's going to take you over to this page where the product's explained. You need this for every business. It's going to take you to a phone number. Yes, we have a team that closes all of our sales for us, folks. That is 100% correct. So you're going to dial 1-800-576-2917. Tell them Scott Darvid sent you, of course, after reviewing everything, okay? And just so you know, if you think OCM is something that just came up, no. Carol's having a great time with OCM. She says it works. And we're going to keep scrolling down here. And we pay up to 4,000 commissions that we make for you, folks. You hear what I'm saying? Look at Dan from Naples, Florida, $12,800, okay? So let's get into the meat and potatoes of this. Look at Michael C., $4,200 in just 3 weeks, okay? Let's keep going down here more about income stream number 2 and keep asking yourself this. Do you want $800, $2,400, $4,000 mailed right to your door? I'm in the 50K club here, approaching the 100K club. I know it works. Just like Kevin right here with 6,400 in just 1 week. Right here, ready to make life-changing money. Very, very simple. The owner is very personable. Right there, Bob Houston. He's going to call you back. We even have step-by-step instructions here, and we have zero out-of-pocket financing. So now you're like, Scott, okay, what about income stream number 3? So we're going to concentrate now on multiple income funnel and income stream number 2, because guess what's going to happen? I'm going to get these income stream number 3, Powerline Hub, which pays 100, 250, 500, 1,000 instant commissions, and the income stream number 4, which pays up to $5,200 in traffic commission. So how are we going to, and we're going to get into this right now. As you can see, Scott's 2024 MIF automated system. Just another 2 minutes here, folks. I want to show you everything you have. Then you can go to the link below, get started. So gold, okay, you're going to make $800 commissions. This is income stream number 2. And when you start at gold, you're going to go to platinum. All right, you're going to get 2,400. You're going to be qualified $2,400 commissions. When you start at platinum, you're going to go to diamond to be qualified for $4,000 commissions. All right. So basically, if you start at gold, you're going to get my Powerline Hub, which is income stream number 3. Okay, $250 product package. You'll be additionally be able to earn $100 and $250 commissions. And guess what, folks? It'll be set up right here. One link, all these commissions. So up to 4,000 here and up to 1,000 here. So let's show you how to make all those commissions. All right. And I'm going to start your traffic with 100 premium clicks that I get from my Proven. And if you don't think that pays commissions, folks, you're wrong. This is my Proven. And when I say Proven, pays me, that already paid me $37,452. Okay. So now what's going to happen there? You're going to get what's Powerline Hub, folks? We have live academies. So we have Facebook training. Okay. Where you're going to be part of my email training, because I'm giving everyone who takes action in OCM my email training. You're going to have the whole entire Powerline Hub CRM, which comes with a YouTube training. If you start at the platinum, this is what you're going to get. You're going to be able to make 100, 250, and 500 in your multiple income funnel right here, directly, instantly to you. Okay, folks, that's what's happening right there. You're going to be able to make it directly, instantly to you. Okay, so now right here, if you're going to have that, you're going to get 200 premium clicks of traffic from my recommended traffic source, also income stream number 4. That pays right here, okay? That's what you're going to get, all right? You're going to have live email training. You're going to have Facebook training every month. You're going to have live text message training every Monday, 7 p.m. Eastern. Remember to be there. Complete Powerline Hub CRM. And finally, if you do start at the diamond at the top, you're going to be eligible in all the product packages in income stream number 3 in your multiple income funnel, which is right here, okay? And you're going to be able to, I'm going to send you 400 premium clicks of traffic, okay? You're going to get a live YouTube training, email, text message, and Facebook. You're going to get branded by me, and you're still going to have Powerline Hub access. Folks, this is the simplest system. Link below. Make sure you smash subscribe, hit the bell, follow these steps, set up your income streams accordingly. Make sure to call my team right here for income stream number 2. And remember, you're going to get income stream number 3 set. You're going to have income stream on me if you take action in income stream number 2. And then lastly, I just wanted to close with this. Make sure you set up your e-wallet and you do the back office tour. All right. Follow the steps 1, 2, 3, 4, and then follow the income streams 1, 2, 3, 4. Have a great one. I'll see you on my next YouTube video. Bye for now.